How to find your saved places in Google Maps. Google Maps is an essential tool for navigating unfamiliar territories, discovering new places, and finding your way back to familiar spots. One of its most useful features is the ability to save places, allowing you to quickly access and revisit locations that matter to you. But have you ever wondered how to find your saved places in Google Maps? Your search ends here. We've got a step-by-step guide to help you locate your saved places and make the most out of this convenient feature. Here's how to keep track of your saved places in Google Maps on desktop. First, open Google Maps on your desktop browser. Sign into your Google account. Click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select your places from the drop-down menu. Now click on Saved to view your saved places. Browse through the list or use the search bar to find a specific location. Here's how to keep track of your saved places in Google Maps on mobile app. First, open the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Sign into your Google account and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select your places from the menu. Tap Saved to view your saved places. Now browse through the list or use the search bar to find a specific location. Here are some additional tips. To edit or remove a saved place, click or tap the three vertical dots next to the location's name. You can also organize your saved places into lists such as favorite restaurants or work commute. To share a saved place with others, click or tap the share icon, a box with an arrow next to the location's name.